Jennifer Collins when he did. I first tell you that day. Before you carry my video of one of my completed duty, go give you Euro. You tell Euro say, "Let me give you link. Where you give you link where you go do prayer for Kotakot for you to get belly."
Yeah. Nothing wey Musa no go see for this social media. Hey? Nothing wey no go hear. Hey. Now wow. You see this picture where I put for here so? As I just dey waka dey go, now I come see say this woman wey dem dey call Esan daughter na do the video. They come put Jennifer picture, Jennifer Collins picture. Now I say make I listen to wetin dey happen. That be something I go put the video and I go listen. Thank God say man no be God though. If man and God, where we go for day? If you do anything, go say no me tell you say may you do this thing. Otherwise, if you not get this thing, according to her for the video, my people, I just say make I talk and some more before I go put the video for now. He say, no say bring her issue come and say she still dey go road work with a friend. It no concern anybody or anything we like. He just make stay do. Everybody answer his papa name. As far as say he get document, he say no one come on for road work. Nah, it no concern anybody. Oh yeah, say what's agbada? What it can concern me? Now she bring her issue come. I believe say Jennifer talk put. Now understand? You know say that's what they do for this media. If you talk put, you don't talk on the way favor. They not sweet them. They go come for you. That's what they do. They go say, why you talking like this? Ask me whether now the person, now you want to tell us you want to talk. I so much believe say that one talk for the matter. Now she can't do this video. You say you Jennifer Collins. You still they talk. You will be say 2020 I been at 2021. I not can remember. I'm not go listen for inside the 11. He say you will give a link. Now me give you link that time. Oh, that time never they do video. I can't be your watcher, your commenter. Monica can't they saga you where they can't say you not get womb. Now I can't come, I can't give you link. I can't say may you try, may you contact this pastor. The pastor now fruit tonight then they buy. If you buy fruit, your fruit of your choice. Now wait till she talk. You go use that and pray. Anything where be say you want, God go do one for you. He say after she don't give Jennifer Collins, the other year of it, now Jennifer come bring pikin come and say she don't born. Maybe call they think for inside my mind say, auntie, why you no come and may you come they give many people where they find pikin. Now that one ain't be for you, now for job good for you instead of you to be going to road work. You come they give them the link so that you can still they see your pace. You understand now? They go come they give you small thing, even though say na 200 euro, 100 euro. You understand now? That one ain't for good pass to they go the road work. Why you not just they do that one? Now for better pass, so according to you, now you thank you. Say now say Jennifer get belle come born. Now wow. For your mind now, as you give Jennifer that link, Jennifer come through carry the link. He can't really do wetin you talk. Social media. And you be watch at that time, he not know you. You see send everybody mumu, you just tell am say do this thing. You go just really do one for your mind. Why you not go buy the fruit, auntie? I just dey talk am. Why you not go buy the fruit? May you go do the prayer. Then tell the pastor, say you want stop road work. Say you want man wey be say go dey carry you like egg. You understand? He go dey carry you like, hey, this is my baby. We go dey do everything for you. You understand? Now for good pastor, now advice I can't give you. So if you like it, they cry, no concern me. You see me, I don't talk my, You see, say I don't insult you. I just they give you expo because since you don't know how to use the link and the fruit, take pray for yourself. You they give out to other people. And many people there where it be said then they find pikin. You there for this media, you not greeted them say you get link where they will take buy fruit. They will go meet the pastor. The pastor can't pray for them. They will come carry belle. But I know they say they laugh. As I they listen to the video, the thing, I was like, Now so, thank God, see, IVF, it dey for everywhere. Which kind fruit they want go buy? Which kind pastor they give the pikin? Which one? Una too believe in all these things. Now make our country still dey where it dey. You see Oyibo wey make us know say there is Jesus Christ. They no carry and put for head at all. They come put am small for our head. Most of una come carry am the way una take carry am every on Sunday. If una no go church, una say oh na that very day na Jesus Christ just come church. Like say una dey there na for una for touch am. He forgive una he forgive una link, he forgive una fruit. So as I see the video, my people now say, you see, if men were God, thank God say man no be God. Otherwise, hey, anything wey do for you go say na me oh, if not be me. So for your mind now the link where you give Jennifer for inbox, na Jennifer come true carry come go give them, they come pray for her. So the belle come out. What of the second pikin wey born? Na the link wey be say dem still na the link wey be say dem see wey you still give her the fruit wey be say e buy. Na I no understand. Na wash o. I just say me I just bring am come out. Aunty, use am for yourself, yeah? Make it good for you, because you wey dey give people link, you still dey go, you say na your work, na not concern anybody, na your work. But for your children, make them for they say we are fear, you understand? We are so proud of our mom, you know, because that where you dey go, so your children not proud of you. So try to use that link where you give person as they come buy fruit. Try to use them for yourself. Maybe say you can't use her, your children can't they say that is my mom, I'm so proud of her, you know, so that you know can't they go where be say they not can't they proud of you, because this one where they go, so they are, I believe say they're not they proud of you, they see you know they run they go, you understand, because nobody go they proud of him. Mama where be say go they do a lo show, everybody don't they trailer pass there, tuke pass on, bicycle pass on, machine come pass on, you understand. So now be that one, my people. I bet Mona still help me advise her. So make she can't use that link where be say she give to somebody. Thank God for that link. Now that person can't carry belly. Make she use them for herself. Make she take show us example. You know. So now because of that one. Auntie though, auntie where they give link, where nothing give itself. Now though. That's why I just talk and reach. If you like to cry for this one, me I not see anybody. You might beg anybody. My belly trailer, I'm a one way. Now what you carry con no expect say person you can't talk on the way you tell like can. You understand? Now that one I not get sense. So now this one I get sense. If I bring issue come out, I say me wanna help me tear the way you like, you know, consign me. I not come for you because now me carry and come. Now me say me you destroy am. Now me say me you curse me. Now me say you curse the other one. Because if I not carry and come, you not come insult me. Abi, I was there, mumu. May I put the video more and listen to the madam link where they na bye bye.
Jennifer Collins mini day. I first tell you that day. Before you carry my video of one of my completed beauty, go give you tell Yuri say, let me give you link where you go do prayer for Port Harcourt for you to get belly. 2029 give you the link. 2021 now carry pikin come out. Jennifer Collins, let me call you inside house. See my sister, the way that they bully you no good. I know church where they do prayer. I know say they go Nigeria all the time now, pikin they look for. They mock you, no problem. I will give you the link. If you they go, now fruit that they pray every month. I sent Jennifer Collins the link 2020. The last time we be say Monica the bully, they call and say no get womb. I call you inside house, give you the information. Then you say that church now fruit that they pray. You buy fruit when you like. OPM church, let me give them to you. Jennifer Collins, I tell you, say, if you go Nigeria, no do video. You don't know people when they follow you with evil eye. I tell Jennifer Collins, say, every time when you do video, they go Nigeria, they always do video. Anything when you go do for Nigeria, you not go work. This place, when I give you, when you go there, don't do video, go secret. 2020, now I give you that link. When I not see you for live video again, my spirit always tell me that maybe this thing has become positive. 2021, now you carry picking come out. Two things now I give you that 2020. I give you this link. When I also see your video, when you take roof your house, I tell you, say, I get one house, when I want to change the roof, I don't like the way when they take roof on. Jennifer Collins. Then, I tell you, say, I like your roofing, but you give me the capital number. You can't tell me, say, you will give me, before you give me the capital number, may I send the building for you. Jennifer Collins, now so I send the building for you. Jennifer Collins, now you by yourself tell me, say, This building, when I turn out to 2 flat, say it too big, me I do a 3 flat. Make I break am, turn out to 3 flat. I tell you, say people don't fit tell me. But when you come dey bully me, oh Baba, good morning, sir. Oboshan. When you come dey bully me, I, for live video, I came out to introduce myself to you because that time when I gave you all those information, I was only your follower. I never did come live video. I can introduce myself for you, Jennifer Collins. Let you know, say, now me be that woman will send her building, can't give you. Then before you know, reach 3 days, you already don't dey mock me. Thank you very much, my sweetheart. Thank you very much, my brother, for the light. God bless you. You reckon they mock me, oh, person may get house may not complete. Not true. That time the house never complete. But Jennifer Collins, my question is this. That time, you don't born finish you before you give that this thing to Yuri. Do you also tell Yuri, say, now me give you link where you go pray? Me pick it for stay your belly. I believe you not give them. You agreed. Esther talk show where they do IVF several times when you not enter. That woman don't spend a lot of money. Now your friend. You also give the link to Esther talk show. You know if you don't because you are greedy. I decided to tell you this yesterday, I be the first today because you still sit down, they tell me, say, madam, you are wrong. You believe people when they say they judge my case, you will still sit down, Jennifer Collins. That really makes you say you're being great. You are not only wicked and you're being great. Which presenter show you where to go look for your solution? I give you the right direction and it work hard for you. You're being great. Now you great, now you be. You when be where grace at you, when you hold. What are you doing here? Come off my page. I tell you since yesterday. I tell you now say the Jennifer Collins one I see coco. My mic no ya leru no na me mo bie. I dey ask. You see, one way or the other, nobody when I come across when my hand not dey body in a positive way. When I have something to do with you, when I come across you, I must leave a mark in your life. A good mark, oh, not be bad one. I not be friend. We say we don't follow person for benefit. Whenever I follow people, they must benefit from me. I don't get money. I might not have money. There are some benefits when it come with sense. Some benefits will be saying, "I'm waiting. I know. I will show you. Not be everything be money." All of them they mock her. Call her barren. That time no get work. Now me call her Esan. The only thing Jennifer Collins no wait, they say now 2 flat. The roof that house. Time ago, I gave them money for aluminium. Okay, Jennifer Collins, if not line, the video, the picture can't come out. Then I say make the roof farm with aluminium. They don't come roof farm with aluminium. They come roof farm with ordinary zinc. Use aluminium fold around. Now I say I don't like them. I want roof do a normal roofing, aluminium roofing. You carry the picture, go give you Yuri. Then you not tell Yuri say link when I give you where you go pray when you for born. Why you not give you Yuri? Greeting element.